So CIMON has his shape because of many reasons. One of the most important reasons is that he is not allowed to hurt anyone. So that's why his shape is really round and he has no edges or something, so that if he bumps into an astronaut or into the wall of the ISS, he's not able to hurt anything. So this is one of the most important factors, and also the aerodynamics of a ball was a little bit easier to handle for the Airbus team working on it. Those are the two main reasons for his round shape. In a scientific way, what we are now doing is called narrow AI, narrow artificial intelligence. That means that we are trying to imitate specific things that a human can do. For example, seeing objects or understanding language, or even something like hearing emotions and stuff like that. So it's not a general artificial intelligence, it's more like a combination of different sets of narrow AI components that we are using in CIMON. So Airbus has had this idea of a floating space ball like CIMON, and Airbus approached the German Space Agency. They funded the project, and Airbus went to IBM and told us, well, we need a strong partner in artificial intelligence. And we as IBM, we said, of course, we can do that, we can support you, and that's why we started this project CIMON. The machine learning within CIMON is actually based on ground, on Earth, in our IBM Cloud data center in Frankfurt, Germany. So we trained the system to understand language, understand emotions, and, for example, images, to recognize the faces of the astronauts on Earth. And we have a connection from the International Space Station to Earth. The technology that CIMON is using, based on our Watson services from our IBM Cloud, is actually already used in more than 20 industries and many countries. For example, we are using the same technology in healthcare, in insurance, in banking, automotive, and many industries. So we are not doing something completely new, it's just a very new environment, space. Right now we are of course talking about a second version of CIMON, for example with new hardware and new software capabilities, but right now we are still in the phase of experimenting with CIMON #1, and that's why right now this is our real focus, CIMON.